Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase ad performance with AdRoll step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AdRoll account. Navigate to the dashboard to view your campaigns. Select the campaign you want to improve. Click on that Ads tab to review your existing ads. Analyze the performance metrics for each ad. Identify ads with lower click-through rates or engagement. Consider revising the ad copy to make it more compelling. Focus on creating a clear and attractive call to action. Choose high-quality images or videos that align with your brand. Test different ad formats to see which performs best. Next, go to the targeting section. Review your audience segments and their performance. Adjust your targeting parameters to reach more relevant users. Add lookalike audiences to expand your reach. Utilize retargeting to re-engage visitors who didn't convert. Implement demographic targeting based on your ideal customer profile. Now, let's optimize your budget. Access the budget settings for your campaign. Consider reallocating funds to higher performing ads. Set a daily budget that aligns with your campaign goals. Monitor bid strategies to ensure competitive pricing. Review the analytics section for insights on user behavior. Use this data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Implement A/B testing for different elements of your ads. Evaluate the results to see what resonates best with your audience. Continuously refine your approach based on performance feedback. Keep an eye on competitors to adjust your strategies as needed. Finally, establish a timeline for regular reviews of your campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.